Welcome inside Apple's advanced manufacturing facility, where innovation meets precision. Every device starts with aerospace-grade titanium. For the orange titanium finish, the metal is carefully treated to achieve high-precision CNC machines carve each titanium frame. Even a microscopic error is unacceptable. Every cut must be perfect. The iconic orange titanium color is created through a controlled electrochemical process. This isn't paint, it's engineered into the metal itself. Advanced robotics assemble the heart of the phone: processor, camera system, battery, and display, working faster and more accurately than human hands. Despite automation, human expertise remains essential. Every unit is inspected, tested, and verified for flawless performance. Each iPhone endures extreme tests, drops, pressure, temperature changes to ensure it performs in real-world conditions. After final cleaning and polishing, the orange titanium iPhone 17 Pro Max is sealed, ready to be shipped across the world. From raw titanium to a masterpiece of technology, this is how Apple transforms metal, code, and precision into innovation. Once packed, each iPhone is digitally tracked. Secure logistics systems ensure every device reaches Apple stores safely, without compromise. From factory floors to premium displays, the orange titanium iPhone 17 Pro Max arrives ready to meet the world.
This moment, the first touch, is what months of engineering lead to. Speed, design, and power, all in your hand. It's not just a phone. It's a statement of precision, durability, and innovation, crafted at the atomic level. Every step is designed with the planet in mind: recycled materials, clean energy, and reduced waste, technology with responsibility.
Hardware alone isn't enough. When software meets silicon, the device truly comes alive.
Advanced optics and intelligent processing work together, capturing detail the human eye often misses.
Extreme performance testing ensures speed stays consistent, whether it's gaming, filming, or multitasking.
This device is built not just for labs, but for real life.
Only after passing hundreds of checks does a device earn its final approval. Each generation builds on the last, pushing boundaries further every time. A single moment, synchronized across the globe. Millions wait as innovation prepares to go live.
Built for creators, trusted by professionals, designed for those who push limits every day. Your data stays yours. Security isn't an add-on. It's engineered at the core. Years later, performance remains strong, because true quality is measured over time.
Every smile, every first touch, this is the real success of innovation. Orange titanium isn't just a color, it's an identity. Bold, refined, unmistakable. Orange titanium isn't just a color, it's an identity. Bold, refined, unmistakable.